Come in.
Wash my hands. Hello, my name is Alasia. I'm gonna be helping doing your vitals today. You can just identify your name and your date of birth for me.
Jones, 12/12/93.
Okay, I'm gonna take this. I'll give it back to you. Make sure this is at the place. Then I'm gonna lock your bed. Okay. I'm gonna start at the 9. Thank you, Miss Shania.
You're
I'll give you this back. Make sure this is at the bottom. Is there anything else you need?
welcome.
Okay, I'll see you in about 2 hours.
Okay.
Wash my hands.